welcome to Scientific Games technical training video on installing and using VNC to configure a CoolSign media player. VNC Viewer allows the user to remotely connect to a CoolSign media player and view content on sign display in real time. The advantages of using VNC Viewer are as follows. You no longer need a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Using the program allows the viewer to see configurations during real time. CoolSign is part of an existing network, so use of the same network switch makes the telnet easier. At a minimum, you will need to use Windows 7 or higher. Okay, now let's look at how to install the software. First thing to do is open an internet browser. Type as shown VNC Viewer. Click Enter. Locate the real VNC registered as shown and select from the choices Download VNC Viewer. Allow to launch. Once launched and as shown, you will see the Download VNC Viewer button. Right below the Download VNC Viewer button, you will see a drop-down arrow. From the drop-down arrow, select from the choices as shown the EXE x86/x64. Now click the Download VNC Viewer button. From here, you will see the application being downloaded in your taskbar. Once the file has downloaded, double-click on the executable file to start the installation. Application starts. Select your language, then click OK. Next screen to appear will be the VNC Setup Wizard. Click Next to continue. Accept the end-user agreement, then click Next. Custom Setup appears. Here, we are just verifying the information. Click Next. Lastly, select the Install button. This launches the software installation. Allow this process to complete. Provided the process was successful, you will see a message stating that the install setup has completed. Select Finish to complete the setup. Hey, you successfully installed the software. Now, let us take a look at how to use the software. We must ensure the laptop and media player are connected to the same network switch. Your laptop IP address will be set as follows: 169.254.15.150 with a subnet of 255.255.0.0. Port 1 of CoolSign Player should have a default IP of 169.254.15.120 and a subnet IP of 255.255.0.0. Launch VNC by double-clicking the VNC icon. Once open, enter the IP address of the CoolSign media player. Click Enter. You will see a message stating VNC compatible server software is not standard message appears. Click OK. Next, you will be prompted with an encryption message. Here, just click Continue. Lastly, we will need to enter the password for CoolSign. If you are using version 13.1 to 15.0, use CoolSign at 123. If you're using versions 15.1 or higher, use CoolSign, with CoolSign being spelled capital C, 00L, capital SIGN at 123. As a note, if one password does not work, try the other. From here, you have successfully connected to the media player and can now configure it as needed using your laptop. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.